I'm Leena Prabhu, Pradnya strategist, spiritual and mental health coach, Amazon #1 best-selling author. If you are new to this channel, then please press on the subscribe button and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you can get all my new videos in an instant. Now let us deep dive into the next topic on how to activate your full potential. View your past lives. Now, actually I got into this after my dad passed away. I wanted to see if he's there in my past life. So I went for this program and I could not meet him at that time. But the other part of the program was to heal any chronic ailments that you might be having. So I didn't know I was a skeptic. I mean, I just went because I wanted to meet my dad. But I said, if I've paid for this program and there is a module where I can heal any chronic illnesses, then I have this, I was in an accident where my neck snapped back, and for 18 years, I was having slip disc issue continuously. Like for months, I would be in bed, lying in pain, and there was these needles stabbing inside me, and I could not lift even a pin. For 18 years, I went to all kinds of doctors. I went to all kinds of treatments. You can imagine the kind of pain, like when six months I had to be lying in bed. So I said, let me take it up and see. Agar heal hota hai, if I get healed, then well and good. Otherwise, I continue with going on like that. So in my past life, I saw myself as a buffalo in a war. And in that war, they were killing buffaloes. Okay. So, and a javelin was stuck in that buffalo, exactly where my pain was, or where my neck had snapped back, exactly over there. So that javelin was removed, and some healing methodologies were used. And I woke up thinking that, did I see, was it real or was it just imagination? So our coach, my mentor, Dr. Trupti Jain, she said, just wait and see what happens, and dekhte hain. After a few months, I realized that I was pain-free. Suddenly I said, for 3 months I've been pain-free, and this happened to me after 7 months, okay? And this was a miracle. This was nothing short of a miracle, because I had gone through so many things, so many treatments in my life, but nothing was giving an effect. And with just one session, of course, a lot of cleansing had happened before then. It's not just like with one session. My pain was gone. I do have to take care of not to lift things, not to bend, and all those things I have to take care of. But if I have taken care of those things, I can live a normal life like any other person. So I was fascinated by that. And when the realization came, then I said I should get myself certified. I should train myself. I did the training course. I got myself certified, and I help people deal with their past lives. So the thing is, you go into your past life where the issue has happened. You cleanse the energies over there. You kind of bring a closure to that subject over there, and the manifestations, the benefits of it get manifested in this life. The only catch is that you don't know when it will happen to you, when the manifestation will happen. So you just have to give the universe that time to do its work. So that is the power of past life. And so whatever issues you have, whether it's your relationship, whether it's your ill health, or whether you're stuck up anywhere in life, the money is not coming in, or you have a very bad relationship with someone, it can be resolved through these past life sessions. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant updates on my latest videos.